Hi guys, Yegi here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Today I'm going to go over how to tape down the bottom eyelashes to prepare them for eyelash extension application, okay? This is one of the first things you want to do before you start applying them. It is very basic, 101. First thing you need to do and know about eyelash extensions to prepare yourself for success with them. Because if they're not taped down properly and you don't have a nice clear surface to start working, it's gonna make your life hell, especially for the inner and outer corners when you're applying. If you're struggling with that, it's really gonna help if you prepare them or tape them using the under eye patches and the tape like I'm gonna show you in this video, okay? So stay tuned, watch, comment below, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll just go on with the video. Bye. Keep watching. Okay.
Is grab an under eye patch, okay? So the thinner part goes towards the inside of the eye. So our goal with the under eye patch is to hold down all the bottom lashes, okay? That's the main goal if you're only using the under eye patch. My technique, I use the under eye patch and the tape to have it hold better, okay? And I don't put the under eye patch too close so it doesn't get in the eye, the gel material, eventually as it sits there for a while, so it doesn't hurt the client's eye after a while, because if the gel material goes in there, it gets stingy, okay?
Okay, we're gonna pause here. I want to explain a little bit more of why you don't want to put the under eye patch too close to the eye. You want to make sure it doesn't touch the liquids in the eye, because this is what causes irritation, redness, swelling, or discomfort for the client. And it may make them think that you're doing something wrong, or that the glue is not good, or any other outside reasons. So you want to make sure that this is one thing you're doing properly, okay? Look at the video, see that it's not touching the rim of the eye. It's just right underneath where the bottom lashes grow, okay? And again, very important, you don't want to put it too close to the eye.
I'm just gonna use this as a tool so it's easier to remove the tape. So I'm gonna kind of put it down there without really holding down all the lashes, but to kind of protect the skin and help me out in the process, okay? So after that's stuck really nice and well, I'm gonna grab my white tape. And what I'm gonna do is I get a bigger piece, I divide it in half, and I put 2 layers, okay, to give it a really nice white background. The wider the surface is, the easier the black extensions are gonna be to see it, okay? So we're gonna tape down all the bottom eyelashes, and we're gonna kind of create an X with the white tape. See, like now, all of the bottom hairs are covered.
Okay, we're gonna pause here again. I want you guys to take a close look at the way I'm applying the tape on top of the under eye patch, okay? So you see how the under eye patch is right below where the under eyelashes are growing, but the tape, since it doesn't have any gel material, it doesn't matter if it's a little bit close to the eye. So with the tape, I'm covering all the little tiny dark hairs that we see underneath, okay? Take a look at the picture, see how the area that I did apply the tape, you see no more under eyelashes, and then the other side where I haven't put the tape yet, you still see tiny little dots of the under eyelashes. And very important, the reason why I do use the under eye patch and the tape is because I want to make sure I'm going to prepare the surface as nice and as clean background as possible, so my life is going to be a lot easier when I'm going in there and applying the eyelash extensions. Okay, let's move on.
Then I'm gonna do the same thing, double layer, and I'm gonna put this one right there. So now everything's covered. This is very weird for our model, but when you close your eyes, it's okay, right? It's not bothering you. It's okay. It's weird, but it's not hurting, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then on top of this, what I also do is I just put a tiny bit of the clear tape to have a smoother surface to work on, which really helps from like the tweezers getting tangled on the little fuzzies of the white tape. So I'm gonna get a little piece, I'm gonna divide it in half, and I'm gonna put it, I can either slide it under, or I can ask her to open please, and then I can put it right like I did the white one, but only in the edges, okay? And then this part, we want to make sure it's not going to go in the eye. So close. Is that poking you in the eye? No? Okay. So that's it. Good? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, thanks for watching. That sums up how to tape or use the under eye patch for the bottom lashes before you start your applications with the eyelash extensions. If you guys have any questions, comment below, call, text, email, whatever you like. We're here to help you, or I'm here to help you. So please don't hesitate to ask if you have better methods or any other suggestions. I love any type of feedback. Please share and have an awesome day. Bye.